Hey everyone, if you have incorporated a business in Canada, you already know the paperwork never really stops. But here is the thing nobody talks about. Updating directors' information on corporation, adding, deletion, everything. I have organized everything you might need as a business owner. And here are the video title. You'll find this series on link in the description.
Once you are on this page, click here, view, change directory information, then select the corporate name. Once you have selected, click next. On this page, this is the step 1 where you can view, change directory information, and this is where you can add a new director and to report the election or appointment of new director. In case you want any new director to be added, you will click here. If you have to update, you will update from here. If you have to remove, then you will come and click here, and if you want to undo any changes made to the director, you will click here. Once you scroll down a little, you see here directors. Here you can add new director, update and remove. So authorization here, form 6, changes regarding directors which you will be required to print in step 2 must be signed by director or officer of the company name or by an authorized individual. Indicate the name and phone number of this individual. So name, phone number, contact information, everything is here. You review that. To add new director, let me click here. On this page, you go through a 3-step process. Director information. This is where you will add the details like first name, middle name, last name. Is the director resident of Canada? You will choose your option from here, and then here you will look up for the address. Once you start typing in the address, if it is Canada, it will show up and you can pick from here. That will get filled here, and then the date this individual started as director. You add the date. Once this is done, you save and then review, print and sign, and you also select for the reminder notices. When you click on remove director, you will come to this page, and here you're reporting that name of the director has ceased to be director of the company, and then you enter the date from which this information has been updated. Save it, and once that is done, you update current director information, add new director, review, print and sign, and then give the full access manager. You also get this reminder notices completed. So it's quite simple to fill this form, and same is the case for updating the information.